In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a dreamy synth bell sound that sounds like this. So this is a really easy sound to make, and I'm creating it using Vital. So we'll pull up an instance of Vital here. This is a free synth that you can use. And by the way, if you like things that are free, then be sure to grab my free sample and preset pack in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/starter pack. And not only will you get my vintage drum samples, which are great for like creating 80s or synthwave music, or just anything you want vintage drum sounds with but it also comes with tons of different presets for Vital, presets for Serum, and a bunch of other free synths as well. So tons of awesome sounds for you if you want to make more of that classic analog style synth sound. So really recommend this. It's completely free, and there's a whole bunch more goodies inside that starter pack as well. And again, get it in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/starter pack. So this is the initial preset for the bell. And so we want to choose the basic shapes here with the oscillator, and we want it to be a square wave. So we're going to adjust that here. There we go. And we have it going to filter 1. So that's great. So we'll go ahead and turn on the filter here. And we'll do the analog 24 dB per octave here. And I'm going to pull down the cutoff a little bit there. Looks pretty good. And then when it comes to the envelope here, we want to make this very plucky and bell-like. So we're going to turn the decay down a bit here. We're going to turn the attack all the way down so it's very plucky. And then we're going to turn that sustain all the way down as well. And we're going to pull out the release just a tad. So now it sounds like this. So not bad, but we want this filter to be opening up. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this same envelope. This is kind of a nice trick too when it comes to sound design in general. So kind of use whatever your envelope is. Use that same envelope to modulate different parameters. Might be a little too extreme. We can pull it back a tad. Not bad. Sounding pretty good already. It's reminding me of something from like the old putt-putt games. You ever play the putt-putt games? Putt-putt games I played when I was a kid. Putt-putt travels through time. Oh my gosh, that just came back to me. Just that sound came back to me. My gosh. Or playing Lines and Boxes with Fatty Bear. Oh man, those are great. Those are classic games. All right, we're gonna put on some chorus on here. Putt-putt travels through time. Get that song in my head now. All right, we're going to pull the mix down a bit here, cut off it down a bit, and now we have a chorus that sounds like this. Which it sounds great without it, but if you're wanting maybe just a little bit of a bigger sound, you can put the chorus on, so it's kind of optional. Let's put some delay on here. We're going to do seconds, and we're going to do about right about there, and we're going to keep it mono. We're going to reduce the feedback, increase the mix a tad, put the cutoff way down, and pull back the spread just a tad. So you got that really kind of dreamy echoes going on there. Maybe pull on the mix just a tad there, but it sounds really good. And you can throw some reverb on here as well. Pull that up. Maybe pull that frequency back there. Increase the size quite a bit for that dreaminess. Depends on how dreamy you want it to be. And we'll put up the pre-delay a little bit so we're not losing that initial attack of the pluck. Nice. Fun fact, when I first started making music, a lot of times I would make music like this to help myself fall asleep at night. So I think we got a pretty dreamy track here that could help you fall asleep. So pretty awesome, but hopefully not in a boring way. So that's it. That's pretty cool. I did throw on some other effects here, which aren't part of the synth, but I just threw on a dotted eighth note delay and some tau reverb. This is a free reverb plugin just to get even more dreamy, because this tau reverb is such an awesome, dreamy, like vintage reverb sound. So we can throw some of this on here. And there you go, an excellent, dreamy, synthy, plucky bell sound. So, by the way, I am putting together a free sample pack for Vital. So, it's not finished yet, but I'm going to give it away for free once I get to 20 testimonials. Just in general, if like any of my courses or any of my videos have helped you, you can just leave me a testimonial, and everyone that completes that, I will send them the free sample pack of Vital once it's complete. So if you want to fill that out and leave me a testimonial, I'd be so grateful. You can click the link below to get to that. So if you want to leave me a testimonial, I'd be so thankful. Just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/testimonial, or you can also click the link below. Now, if you like this tutorial and you want to know how to make more awesome vintage synth sounds inside of Vital, I have a whole playlist on different sounds you can create. I have that on a box on the screen right now, so go ahead and click that to go watch that playlist and create some more awesome sounds. See you in the next video.